The world doesn't give you perfect moments, you make them. So now, I move. Even if I stumble, even if I'm scared. Because standing still was...
I used to wait for the perfect time. For everything. The right moment to start, to speak, to be...
Have you ever wondered how to create stunning, cinematic videos like these? You know the ones, those mesmerizing clips where a golden retriever bounds through a sunlit meadow in perfect slow motion, or where a futuristic cityscape comes alive with impossible detail, or where dreamlike scenes unfold that look like they were shot by a professional film crew, but were actually created entirely from a simple text description? The secret? Sora 2. OpenAI's groundbreaking AI video generation model. First of all, what exactly is Sora 2? So Sora 2 is an AI-powered video and audio generation model that can create incredibly realistic and controllable media directly from text prompts. It's really revolutionary technology. So this represents a significant advancement over its predecessor, the original Sora, with enhanced physical accuracy, much sharper realism, and the groundbreaking ability to generate synchronized sound effects, speech, and even complex background soundscapes all at once. It's truly impressive what this technology can do. So users can access Sora 2 through various means, and we are going to be showing you step by step how you can do this throughout this tutorial. And if you look at these videos on the screen, they are all generated with Sora 2, every single one of them. The quality is just amazing, and it's hard to believe they're AI generated. So the key features involve several important aspects. First, you have realistic motion. Sora 2 can generate more physically accurate and realistic motion than ever before, handling complex actions like, for example, backflips on a paddleboard or intricate dance movements. And you have synchronized audio that matches perfectly with the visuals. You have lip sync that's incredibly accurate. The mouths actually move in sync with the words being spoken. You have enhanced controllability, which means you have much more control over what the AI generates. And so on and so forth. There are many other features we'll explore as we go along. So like I said, there are different ways to access Sora 2, and I'm going to walk you through each method. So you can either do this by downloading the Sora app directly. So if you click here on this link, you can see the options. If you are using an Apple phone or an iPhone, you can download Sora 2. The app is available on the App Store for iPhone users. It's a straightforward download process. And then another way is to log into Sora 2 directly through the web browser. So when I log into the website here, you're going to click Join the new Sora to get started. So for this method, you need to enter an invite code. So the invite code is a 6-digit code, which is the length that OpenAI uses for their invitation system. Yeah, so to get this code, there are various ways you can go about it. So you can search online for people sharing codes, or you can go to Discord. That's actually the best way to get codes. So now when you go to Discord, basically you're going to add yourself to the OpenAI Discord server. You do a verification process to prove you're a real person, and then you go to specific channels where people are giving out codes. However, I have to be honest with you, this can be very tiring and time-consuming for you to actually get codes from people because they go very quickly and there's a lot of competition. So once you finally get a code, you're just going to paste the code here in this field, and then you join the new Sora platform, and then you can start creating Sora videos right away. But there's also different ways. There are actually 2 other ways to get access to Sora without going through all that hassle, and the first one is through Digen AI. That's spelled D-I-G-E-N AI, Digen AI. So when you go to Digen AI's website, you see they advertise themselves as a free AI video generator. And with this platform, you can create free Sora 2 videos and even VO 3.1 videos without paying anything. All right, so this is the Digen interface, and you can see here different videos that have been created by users. So this video here was created by Sora 2 AI, and you can see the quality is excellent. This one is VO 3.1, and it's all free to generate. You can click on this video to have a review of it, change the language to another language if you want, or something like that. Yeah, there are various options for customization.
Ile razy mam cię resetować, ty cholerna skrzynko? A teraz? Działa? Dość tego! Ile razy mam cię resetować, ty cholerna skrzynko? A teraz? Działa? Dość tego! Ile razy mam cię resetować?
So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this step by step. So the first thing you do is just go to Create at the top of the page. So when you go to Create, we can see the video option here, and we can see the available models. There are quite a few. So you can see for this particular model, you have to upgrade to a paid plan. It's not available on the free tier. We have some free models here that we can use. So we can see for this real motion table model, it is free to use. I can see for some of them they are also free, like the 2.6.64 model. But for VO 3.1, it is not free, and you have to upgrade to access it. But however, for Sora 2 here, you can see we can generate free videos. And see it says Unlimited Sora 2 here. We have no watermark, no invite code needed, free to use for everyone. This is fantastic.
So we have options ranging from 10 seconds to 15 seconds duration. You can adjust the aspect ratio to either 9:16 for vertical video or 16:9 for horizontal widescreen, whichever you prefer for your project.
So let's try and create a video to test this out. So I have this prompt here that I'm going to use to test this out and show you the capabilities. So I'm asking Sora 2 to create a highly realistic 8-second cinematic video of a confident young African man standing in a softly lit studio, wearing a casual shirt, smiling naturally while speaking to the camera. The background should have a clean, modern aesthetic with subtle depth of field for that professional look. He should make a small hand gesture while talking with natural facial expressions and realistic eye movement. The lighting should be warm and soft with a professional camera angle at eye level. So I'm going to add a slight camera motion for realism and ensure smooth lip sync, suitable for a motivational quote like, "Believe in yourself because no one can do it like you." The visual style I'm requesting is cinematic, ultra-realistic, 4K detail, natural skin tones, shallow depth of field, and film lighting. The mood is confident, inspiring, and authentic.
All right, so now just go ahead and generate. So click this button here, and then Sora 2 will begin to generate our video. This usually takes just a few moments depending on the complexity and length of the video. All right, so our video is ready. I'm sure you would like to take a look and see how it turned out. So let's play this and see how well it captured our prompt.
The aspect of Sona at this point, if you believe in yourself, because no one can do it quite like you.
Believe in yourself, because no one can do it quite like you. All right, so it's a wonderful video. Yeah, and this is what Sora 2 can do. The quality is remarkable. So I can just go ahead and download it. So you download the video here by clicking this button. You can also adjust parameters and regenerate if you want different results. You can also add AI sound effects here. There's an option to enhance or edit your audio, and then you can download the video here when you're satisfied. So you can also basically copy the prompt if you want to use it again, or modify it, or share directly to social media platforms like Facebook or WhatsApp. Yeah, so this is exactly how you create videos with Sora 2 for free on Digin AI. It's really straightforward and accessible. Now the next platform which we're looking at is Synthesia. So let's navigate to their website. So Synthesia is also another powerful AI tool where you can create videos, and they offer free options as well. So we're just going to go to Get Started for Free to begin. So here you can see the different pricing tiers: Basic, Starter, Creator, and Enterprise. So I'm going to start with the Basic plan, which is completely free, and I'll click on Get Started. And then we select Continue to Basic Account to proceed without payment. So just continue with your Google account for easy sign-in, and then just sign in normally. So I've already signed in before and got some amount of free credits to use. So how do we create this video using Synthesia? Now we have to create a new video. So, okay, I see that I've already used this account previously, so I want to create a fresh account so that you can see exactly how it goes from the beginning. So if I come here, I want to go to Synthesia's homepage. I want to create from scratch, so I'll select this option, and then click on Get Started or Get Started for free, and then I'm going to click on Get Started. Then Continue to Basic Account. Now we click Continue with Google for authentication. Then we select the email address we want to use and click Continue. So this is basically going to ask you some questions to personalize your experience. So we're going to select HR operations as our use case. And the type of content you're interested in, we're just going to select any relevant option. So we can select knowledge-based content, and then you select where do you work, let's say a company.
And then for what is your company website? You can skip this question if you don't want to provide it. And then what's your company size? So let's say less than 100 people for this example. And how did you learn about Synthesia? Let's say from YouTube. And then invite your teammates. You could also skip this as well if you're just testing it out. So let's create your first video. So Synthesia is basically designed for professional development and just creating presentations with AI avatars. It's really powerful for corporate training and educational content. So we select professional development training as our category. And then, so now because this is the first video you're creating, you just have to create instructions for the video, describe what you want it to cover, and then specify the audience, which would be company employees in this case. So it's basically using an AI avatar to create AI-powered presentations. You can see now that it's creating our templates based on what we specified. I'm sure you're wondering, okay, so how does Sora work with this platform? So we have to first create this template before we can understand how to use it for the Sora 2 AI integration. Yeah, so you can see this process happening. So go ahead and generate the video once you're happy with the template and click Generate. All right, now this is the Synthesia platform interface. So we can see that the system is generating a video for us. So let's take a look and go to the home dashboard. All right, so we just need to check back in a few minutes once the video has finished processing. The AI is working on creating the avatar, generating the speech, and putting everything together. This is an exciting process, and the results are usually quite impressive. We'll come back to see the finished product shortly.
All right, so now let's take a look at that video, our first video that we created. Now that Synthesia has completed the generation process, we can review what it's made for us. So now that Synthesia has generated the first video successfully, just click on Edit here to open it up and see what we have.
Did you know that most employees feel unprepared for their performance reviews? Imagine turning this nerve-wracking experience into a career-boosting opportunity. Stay tuned to discover the secret to acing.
So this is basically your AI avatar making a professional presentation. You can see the avatar looks quite realistic, and the voice is clear and natural sounding. It's pretty impressive technology. So now let's go back to edit mode. So click on Edit to access the full editing interface. We can see this interface now, and this is where the magic happens. This is how we're going to create videos with Sora 2 integration. You need to go to Media in the left sidebar. Under Media, we can see we have two AI language or video generation models available. There are two options. One with audio enabled at 720 pixels resolution, and you need 48 credits to use this model. So with Synthesia, you get a lot of credits on a daily basis that refresh, so you have plenty to work with. And then we have VO3, which does not allow audio generation, and it's 180 pixels resolution. That's a higher resolution, but without the audio capability. So let's try out Sora 2 and see what it can do. So you can just click on this option here,
And here we can see a professional setting interface. It looks very cinematic and well designed. So now I want to use a prompt that actually uses sound to demonstrate the full audio capabilities. So I'm going to use this prompt that I've prepared. A young woman stands outdoors at sunrise, softly smiling and saying, "Every day is a new chance to rise." Gentle breeze and birds chirping in the background, cinematic 4K. So let's hit this button to generate and see what Sora 2 creates for us. And you can see that now Synthesia is generating the video with Sora 2, and it should be completed in just a few minutes. The AI is working on creating the scene, the audio, and all the environmental sounds. All right, so we can see now that it's finished. Let's play it.
Every day is a new chance to rise.
So you can see that this is really high-quality output. The visuals are crisp, the audio is synchronized perfectly, and the background sounds add so much atmosphere. We can generate another video to show you more examples. So let's try a different prompt. Confident man in a modern office setting, professional attire with a productive background of computers and keyboard keys. Excellent professional environment.
Good job. Good job. Instantly, my presenter today. Let's make today productive.
So you have a lot of credits to generate and continue generating videos throughout the day. Now, I've already used a lot of my credits for this demonstration, but all these videos here that you're seeing are created using Sora 2. You can see the variety and quality across different scenarios. So, you can create wonderful AI videos with incredible realism and then download them straight from here. You just click the download button and the video is yours to keep. You can feel free to use them as you please for your projects, presentations, social media content, or whatever you need. This technology really opens up so many possibilities for content creation. Whether you're making training videos, marketing content, social media posts, or educational materials, Sora 2, through these platforms, makes it incredibly accessible and affordable, or even free. So that wraps up this comprehensive tutorial on Sora 2. We've covered multiple ways to access it, through the official app, through invitation codes, through Digit AI, and through Synthesia. Each platform has its own strengths, and now you have all the tools and knowledge to start creating amazing AI-generated videos yourself. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And I'll see you in the next video where we'll explore even more exciting AI technologies. Bye-bye!